Greater bulls were seen yet again in indices where we have seen S&P and Dow rallying to the record high levels. The Germany 40 did also stayed bullish and breached 19,000 while UK 100 consolidated. Now, can we expect the same bull run to continue? If yes, how far? And if not, where it is going to reverse, where you can take and what trades, whether it's a sell or it's a buy. We will see with the help of charts and indicators how to profit today. First, we'll look into US indices, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, followed with the Germany and India and UK. Watch till the end. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's see S&P after the rise here hitting the record levels close to 57 30 40. We have seen it retracing and now see it has formed a good support, good base at 5700. So now this has become our selling entry. If you see the price is staying below 5700, you can take a selling entry. Expect now see 5685 and 5665 and then 5650 levels. Till here it has got extremely stronger support here. So 5685, 5665.70 and then 5650 levels. These levels you should note. On the upside, see what is happening after the drop. It is staying in the zone. It could continue here, but if it you see it is staying about 5720, 5730 levels. Just stay bullish because see what will be considered then rise retracement and it could reverse and rally again. Moving averages and are bullish and the stochastic is rising as well while the MACD has crossed over at the top and suggestive of slight bearishness and same is with RSI. On the 2 hour charts, if you look at, see this rise, then the sideways bullish movement, then this rise. Yes, the quantum of rise here and here a bit diminished, but I will not say that it has turned bearish here. And also now on the downside, support levels are very strong till towards 5685 levels here, below which 5665.70 the strongest support will come into picture. And remember, it can also erase all the gains and breach below 5600 as well. The stochastic at bottom, but today we do not have any major significant news event for US indices which can swing it such strong. Yes, the options expiry is one trigger which can reverse the complete trend. Stochastic at bottom here while the MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI coming out of the overbought levels. On the 3 hour charts, the observation is more. See what has happened here is similar something what is going to happen here as well. So what will happen? It will try to trade slow with modest bearishness, wait for the moving average to climb up and achieve this zone. The stochastic dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour, the observation here is same on the 4 hour charts. And every time it is trying to come back to 20 period and taking a support and bouncing back. So yes, if you see it is staying below 5700, that is the point where you can initiate a selling entry and expect it to move towards 5685, 5665.70. Moving averages here are bullish. The stochastic overbought. The MACD is in green. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to daily, if you look at the daily charts, consolidation and then this first breakout candle has appeared. Higher lows and higher highs are seen, and this movement could confine within the zone. What we had expected here is a symmetry here, but this is right now giving a breakout, and in fact the record highs are breached as well. Bullish sign this is, but we have to be cautious. The higher or the farther it moves away and the more stronger it stays, the stronger could be the reversal which can be seen, which is going to be there. But right now it is not showing any signs of such reversal. Moving averages here are also bullish. Stochastic has dropped from the overbought zone. MACD is rising and RSI rising. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 5720, where you can expect 5730 and 40 first resistance zone, and then 5755 levels will come into picture, the next milestone. Beyond 5755 is stay bullish for 5766, 5768, the next resistance. I see the upside is going to be difficult, but once it stays beyond 5766, 68, you can look forward to a further rise as well, though the chances appear to be less here that it is going to break these levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 5700, expect 5685, 5665.70, and then 5650 levels, below which it will turn bearish towards 5620 and 5600, chances of which appears to be less as well. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. And Nasdaq 100 is more or less same like S&P after hitting the record, not record highs, but after hitting the highs here we have seen now it retracing and it is seen taking support from the 20 period moving average. Now power of levels I have mentioned 19, 950, 970 good resistance. It is retraced now trying to, if it breaks out now on the upside and breaks these two levels, stay bullish, we can look forward to a move above 20,000 levels again. But if you look at the formation, strong bull run retracement, and if I expect that there could be further continuation of this bearish move here. Let's see if it does. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over for sell, RSI has come out of the overbought zone. On the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts as well. Trading in this bullish channel, where are the lows of this channel towards 19,600, 500? As long as 19,600, 500 is taken, not taken, we have to be careful. What is happening here after a reversal line sign? See, it has formed a very, very good base and now trying to bounce back. So if you see now the tech 100 trading below 19,780, take a selling entry there. Expect 19,720, 700 as the first target, 19,660 and 600 as the next. If you look at a stochastic, this has dropped to oversold zone, MACD crossing over for sell, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. And yes, before we look into further charts and I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me over Telegram, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the 3-hour charts also similar observation. Every rise is offset with a retracement and now there is a possibility of a retracement. 19,600, 500 is going to be the support here. So if you see tech 100 to below 19,780, we can initiate a selling entry. The stochastic to the bottom, MACD trying to converge, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. And on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation here, and thus we have to be watchful. It is, despite trading in the bullish channel, it could hit the lows of the channel before rising again. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, RSI coming out of the overbought level. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, similar observation what you had seen on S&P, consolidation, then you can see rise and then consolidation, and this is the first bullish candle. So this could be also the initiation of the second bull run, and thus any move beyond 20,000, 20,020 should be taken up seriously. And right now I can see a little retracement cannot be denied on the downside. Moving averages looking upwards, stochastic coming out of the overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. Looking at this, I will recommend you to sell tech 100 only if you see it is staying below 19,780, where you can expect 19,740, 20 as the first target zone. The next is 19,700, and then we can look forward to 19,660 and 600. Below 19,600, major bearishness will prevail, and we can see 19,500 levels as the next targets. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 19,840, where you can expect 19,880, 920, 950, 970, and then 20,020 levels. If these levels are taken, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a greater rise, which can take it towards 20,075 and 20,110 levels. Chances for which appears to be less as far as my opinion is concerned. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. Enormous bullishness was seen in US 30. We have seen it hitting the record highs at 42,180. Now after hitting the highs, it is retest now trying to find a support at 42,000 levels. Yes, also you can see a flat top is seen. So once it stays beyond 40,000 70, 80, we can look forward to further rise. But right now I can see it is struggling to stay bullish further, or you can say it is trying to retrace now before it takes a further leap on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading bearish looking downwards, while RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at 2-hour charts here, the observation is more or less same here. It is trading in this channel. Where are the lows of this channel? Towards 41,700, 800 levels. And see, if it stays below 42,000, chances will be high that we can look forward to 41,800, 700 levels very, very soon. Yes, stochastic dropping, MACD willing to cross over for sell, and RSI has dropped as well. And the observation on the 3-hour charts also is more or less same. Rise, retracement, rise, and see it is showing a reversal sign. So once it stays below 42,000, we can initiate a selling entry. Slightly overbought stochastic, MACD is trying to convert, RSI is very much at top. On the 4-hour chart, look at the formation on the 4-hour charts. One bigger bearish candle, diminishing bearishness. Let it stay below 42,000. That will increase the chances of a move towards 41,900, 41,750, 760, and then 41,700. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is in green and RSI at top here. Nothing much significant. Only thing is it is trading with slight overbought levels on RSI. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, series of bull run, series of bullish candle, couple of consolidation, first breakout. Any break beyond 42,200 definitely is nothing to talk about. 41, 42, 250 and 360 are the target. If it breaks this, you can look forward to 42,500. As far as my opinion is concerned, chances appears to be less. Yes, it is slightly overbought while the MACD and RSI both rising. So looking at this, I will recommend you to see to move towards 41,020, 42,120, 42,180, and then 42,250. Levels are taken is stable for 42,360 and 42,500. On the downside, I would recommend a selling at 42,000, where you can expect it to move towards 41,950, 940 first target zone, 41,900 the next, then 41,820, and then 41,767 coming to picture. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Germany. DAX on the hourly charts forming double top. It is retracing. It is trading in this bearish channel. And the first support levels now at 18,900. 18,900 is going to remain a critical support. Any drop below 18,900, we can initiate a selling entry. Expect 18,860, 70 first, 18,830, and 18,800 the next. Below 18,800 is where the bears are waiting. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish and RSI has dropped as well. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at the observation is same, that is just coming to take the support from the 20 period. 18,900 indeed is a very good support. Also, this is trading bullish and trading in a bullish channel as well. It is oversold on the stochastic, while the MACD, if you look at the MACD, has crossed over at the top and it is trading bearish looking downward. This is a bearish sign. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3-hour chart, series of bearish candles here. This candle again is starting in red. Possibly we may see it moving towards 18,870, 60, or in fact 18,800 levels. Possibility exists. Yes, increasing bearishness of this kind of candle can be seen here. Be watchful. If you look at a stochastic, this is dropped to oversold. MACD willing to cross over for sell. RSI coming out of the overbought levels. And on the 4-hour charts, the observation is more or less same. We can look forward to a move towards this zone, which is possible. Yes, indicators are trying to cool down now. It has entered into overbought zone and now trying to come to comfortable levels. Coming to daily charts, starting on a flat note, higher lows and higher highs are seen for the last few candles. If as long as now 18,800 and 760 is not taken, we should not be hitting the Germany 40 as bearish. Only below 18,800 and 760 you can say it is turning bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over trying to trade bullishness, and RSI dropping here. Looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 18,900, expect 18,870, 840, 800 as the three supports, and below 18,800 we can look forward to a greater move towards 18,755 and 18,710 levels, below which it is going to give you a stronger break towards 18,600. Though the chances appear to be less, but these are markets. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at UK 100. UK 100 on the hourly charts after hitting the highs here at 8370, 80. We have now seen it trading bearish here. Yes, after the drop, it is now taken this channel and now looking downwards. Once you see it is staying below 8 to 80, 8 to 70 zone, stay short. We can look forward to 8 to 40, 8 to 20 levels as well. Yes, it is trying to converge, and a crossover here can lead to reversal. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish and RSI at bottom. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at the observation is same. Remember, after this drop, UK 100 is trading in this retracement channel, and once it breaks out beyond 8240, we can look forward to further drop towards 8220, 8200 and 8150 levels. Stochastic oversold here, MACD bearish and RSI has dropped. On the 3-hour charts also, the observation is same. Remember this fact, after the drop, trading under retracement, the lows here towards 8260. And once it breaks this, you can look forward to a greater crash. Yes, it is at bottom the stochastic, while the MACD has crossed over for sell and the RSI is trading bearish. The observation here is same on the 4-hour charts. Remember, again and again I'm highlighting, once it comes out of this channel, that is a move below 8240, 8235 should bring enormous bearishness, and I will be looking forward to 8200 and 8180 and in fact 8150 levels then. Yes, this breakout can lead to similar size of drop here. As long as it stays above this zone, you should not be treating this as bearish. Yes, the indicators are looking at downwards and trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, look at the preceding candle. Comes with a bigger wick, and then today it is started on a flat note. Just let it stay below 8280, and in fact 8260. See this higher lows here, you can see this, and once it stays below this, you can see more bearish, and below 8240 is where we will be concerned, and we can look forward to a move towards 8220 and 8180 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Yes, first thing is to buy. Where to buy? I will only recommend you to buy here at 8300, where you can expect 8315, 8320, and only bullishness today in UK 100 is if it trades above 8320 levels, beyond which you can look forward to 8350, 8380 levels again. On the downside, a selling entry at 8280, where you can expect 8265, 8250, 40, and once it drops below 8240, just stay short. 8220, 8200, 180, 150 levels will be seen here. Take your trades accordingly. Do join the free Telegram channel. Do join the next update before the US session for multiple global markets and commodities. Like, share, and comment. Press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank